Virtualizer VPS pane. Virtualizer VPS panel. Virtualizer is a powerful web-based VPS control panel. It supports OpenVZ, ScenePV, ZenHVM, Citrix XenServer and Linux KVM virtualization. Admins can create a VPS on the fly by the click of a button. VPS users can start, stop, restart and manage their VPS using a very advanced web-based way. Learn more. Previous. Webuzo is a single-user Linux control panel which helps you deploy apps on your server, virtual machine or in the cloud. Webuzo helps you manage your domains, emails, FTP accounts, system apps like Apache, Nginx, MySQL, Percona, Java, etc. Webuzo is also available in the form of virtual appliances. SitePad Website Builder. Build professional websites using an easy-to-use editor and publish static web pages. 755 responsive themes which cover a wide range of categories like blog, business, portfolio, restaurants, travel and many more. 40-plus widgets like image, video slider, image galleries, rich text, video, audio, service box, Google Maps, contact form, social media and many more to help you build your website. AMPPS stack. AMPPS is a WAMP, MAMP and LAMP stack of Apache, MySQL, PHP, Perl and Python. AMPPS enables you to focus more on using applications rather than maintaining them. With AMPPS you can create a website by installing any of the 405 apps, customizing it, and then simply publishing it on the internet via a wide choice of hosting service providers. AMPPS supports both Windows and Mac platforms. Softaculous Auto Installer. Softaculous is the leading auto installer having 405 great scripts, 1,115 Philippine pesos classes and we are still adding more. Softaculous is widely used in the web hosting industry and it has helped millions of users install applications by the click of a button. Softaculous Auto Installer easily integrates into leading control panels like cPanel, Plesk, DirectAdmin, Interworks, hSphere. Learn more features. Web application installations made easy. Softaculous is a great auto installer having 405 great scripts, 1,115 Philippine pesos classes and we are still adding more. Softaculous is ideal for web hosting companies and it could give a significant boost to your sales. These scripts cover most of the uses a customer could ever have. We have covered a wide array of categories so that everyone could find the required script one would need to power their website. Top 12 scripts. blogs, portals, CMS, forums, image galleries, wikis, social networking, ad management, calendars, gaming, mails, polls and analytics, project management, e-commerce, ERP, Customer support. Frameworks. DB tools. Video. Music. Video. RSS. File management. Others. Blogs. E-commerce. Mails.